Introducing the 2020 Volvo XC90 2.0 T8 R-dsgn with 390B horsepower AWD 5DA. This sleek grey SUV, registered new in 2020, has only 78,000 kilometers on the clock and comes loaded with top-of-the-line features for comfort, safety and style. From ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with luxury trim and third-row seating, you can ride in style and comfort. Rest assured, this Volvo has been fully inspected, serviced and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors, i.e. for more details on how you can drive away in this impressive SUV today.